Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this particular video let me tell you how would be your OET or IELTS exam during COVID-19. As you all know, the entire world is facing from a pandemic and disastrous situation. Most of the exams have been postponed and cancelled. So how would be these two examinations? IELTS is still paper-based, it has not moved to an online method. But in the case of OET, you have a good news. You can appear for your OET exam online. What you need to do is, you can log into the official website of OET, occupationalenglishTest.org, where you would find a contact us button and you can express your level of interest in order to appear for the OET exam online. And in the case of OET exam, if you want to defer your test date or your test venue, what you need to do? You can go into your candidate profile where you have the My Application option, under which you have the option to defer your test date or venue. But something you need to take care of is, if you have applied for the test as a part of a group, you will be not able to defer your examination. Instead, you have to consult the official authorities of OET. And if you want to cancel your test, what you need to do? In this case also, you need an official assistance of the required authorities. And also you should keep in mind, as this is a very disastrous situation, whenever you appear for the exam, you should be very much particular about your personal hygiene and healthcare. And last but not the least, you should keep a constant check upon your email as well as the official website of both these examinations for the updated information and latest events and news.